Here we have Huawei's MatePad Pro 13.2-inch flagship tablet, and it does a lot of things right that actually allow it to be a great flagship tablet, which is the design, the display, and the accessories that come with it, like the smart keyboard and the M Pencil, and also it's a productivity powerhouse. Let's get into what our experience has been with the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch. Now, this Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch is actually using the world's first flexible OLED display, and it does have 144 Hz that's supported in certain apps, but most of the times 120 Hz. And this is actually a great compatibility with their third generation M Pencil, which actually makes for a very responsive display experience when you're using it for things like artwork and also just productivity overall. Now, as much as I really do like the approach to the design with the super slim front bezels and also the slim profile as well, which does make it really good and easy to match up with the accessories and the profiling of it, I'm personally not a fan of the super slim bezels at the cost of having a notch, but I guess that's just a trade-off of how the design is. It does go for an all immersive, all screen experience. And of course, this being based on OLED, you do get that infinite contrast ratio and also the deep blacks and the vibrant colors, which is also very accurate as well. Now, one thing that surprised me was just how good the speakers were on this tablet. And look, I shouldn't really expect anything less, but I was actually really surprised how good and how much attention Huawei paid to it. Now, this is also backed with their sound tech technology, and with that all put together with the OLED display and the speakers, wow, multimedia consumption is actually really good on this, and that's the kind of levels that you expect on a flagship tablet. Now, the real combination of using the MatePad Pro 13.2-inch is the accessories. Honestly, make sure you grab it with the M Pencil and the smart keyboard with the built-in kickstand, because it's magnetic base, it attaches so well. And once you do, it really unlocks that productivity ability to use it how you want, when you want, very much close to how you experience it on the laptop, but it's much more flexible based on the touchscreen and the size of it and just how you can move it and use it around. Now, battery life is great on it with Huawei super fast charging, but the real thing you have to consider is Harmony OS. Now, when it comes to this, it really depends on the apps you have access to that you can use to actually help you use it and be productive. And if you're all good with it, you can pretty much have access to most of the popular apps that you're used to, and even productivity things like access to Microsoft 365, amongst other things. So really and truly, if you can actually work with Harmony OS, it's fast, it's smooth, it gives you access to the apps that you need, you are pretty much good to go to consider this package as something to use when it comes to a flagship tablet. On the other hand, if you do rely on the core services that is Google, and you really need that, the core foundation of everything when it comes to online storage or applications like YouTube, Maps and things, well, it's just something to consider that maybe you might not have access to the apps that you need, and then you have to consider things like side loading. And if you can get away with side loading and doing that, the performance and the accessibility on tap here is really something to consider. But overall, this is a great flagship tablet, and our experience with it in terms of how it links up with other products, yeah, it actually works really good. But yeah, this is Huawei's MatePad Pro 13.2-inch. Let me know your thoughts on it. Do you like it? Have you actually got it? Are you considering it? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.